Hello, sandwich fans. Good lunchtime to you. It's Sandwich Dad here again. I was asked the other day, what is the simplest, easiest, quickest way to make grilled cheese sandwiches? And I have an answer for you, for I make grilled cheese sandwiches for at least two of my children, probably every weekend or so. And they are still at the ages where they don't care about anything being 5 stars all the time. They just want some nice, cheesy bread. So what we're going to do on the first sandwich is we're going to use the standard processed cheese. You could call it American cheese, Kraft single, off-brand Kraft single, plastic cheese. My kids call it hamburger cheese. And I'm going to use 2 slices. One slice doesn't quite ever seem to be enough or get that gooiness. It just kind of sinks into the bread. We are going to put in a little extra effort to, take a little bit of a side off, put that on top, and then make sure the bread is covered as evenly as possible in that nice cheesy goodness. For sandwich number 2, the 10-year-old, well, she got a bit of a hankering for the Havarti earlier this year. I don't blame her. It's a great grilled cheese. It has a really good pull to it. That one fits the bread nice enough. We're going to put 2 slices on there, make sure we have enough. And there we have it. We're using whole wheat bread for the kids. I still make my kids eat whole wheat breads just like my parents made me, although being Sandwich Dad, I have my own stash of white and nicer breads. They don't seem to mind. We're going to butter the tops of both of these sandwiches once they're closed up. And when I say butter, folks, I really mean margarine. That's right, we're using margarine. It is December here in Saskatchewan, and butter, even on the counter, is not easily spreadable in this house, so margarine's going to have to do. We said quickest and easiest, and this is by far the quickest and easiest to spread. Alright, for the actual grilling, we're not going to use the pan. We're going to pull out the George Foreman grill, the lean, mean, fat, grilling, reducing machine, whatever it says on there. This is the easiest way to get grilled cheese sandwiches done quickly and easily without dirtying any dishes. And if you don't have one of these, you can find one for $5 to $10 at pretty much any thrift store. They got piles of them, and they all still work. They work pretty well. They get a little dusty. This is probably the cleanest I've ever seen mine. But we are going to flip the buttered side down of both sandwiches 2 at a time. This mini little George Foreman fits. And then, of course, we're going to pull out our tub of margarine again, and we're going to get the top side all buttered up. You could say margarine. It just doesn't sound as good as buttered. So we're going to say buttered, even though we all know it's margarine. Please comment how much you hate margarine. It feeds my engagement. Okay, put the lid down, wait. Usually about 2 minutes is all it really takes. And then we open it up and perfectly grilled cheeses for 2, for a 5-year-old and for a 10-year-old. Both sides evenly, perfectly cooked. The cheese is suitably melty on both. We'll move those out of the way. We're going to plate them up each with 2 pickles. Princess plate, blue plate. And the little guy, he likes his cut into quarters. He is a chaotic neutral after all. That is his style. But the 10-year-old prefers the diagonal cut. So let's see what we've got for that. And this one I do want to show you the cheese pull. So we're going to cut diagonally and reveal. Havarti always gets that nice pull, which is exactly why the 10-year-old likes it so much. So, time to serve. All right. Looks like they're working on the pickles first, but let's just take a quick look at that processed cheese, grilled cheese. Looks pretty good to me. All right, we've got good cheese pull. Sandwich Dad, good day!